When should you use CPK, instead of CP, for process improvement initiatives?
You should use the Process Capability Index CPK, instead of Process Capability CP, when you need to assess both the process's ability to meet specification limits and its centering within those limits. CP measures the potential capability of a process, assuming it is perfectly centered between the specification limits, focusing only on the spread of the data. While CPK provides a more realistic picture by accounting for the actual location of the mean relative to the target value, indicating whether the process tends to produce output that might be skewed towards one of the specification limits. Using CPK helps identify not just whether a process is capable, but whether it is performing consistently and predictably within the acceptable ranges. CP and CPK support operational excellence by enabling more precise process control, reducing defects, increasing customer satisfaction, productivity, and profitability.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.